Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I want to do like a mini feature or review on something that I truly love, which are makeup tools. In this case, it would be about brushes. And I wanted to give a shout out to some of the brands that I've been using, ones I've started with, and ones that I've recently become obsessed with. And the first one that I want to put out there, if I haven't done so in various other videos where they appeared in, is e.l.f. Cosmetics. And their brush line is incredible and is the standard by which I compare all other brushes to, especially the high-end ones. If they can't produce better than this, then they're just not worth buying. That's just my humble opinion. And to this day, I still compare a lot of brushes, whether they're lower price, medium price, higher price, to the e.l.f. Cosmetics version, which of course is the black handle. I prefer that. They do have another one which I think is a clear handle. I don't use those as much. I think I have a few, like a highlighter brush or something, but it's not one that I reach for a lot. It's the black handle one that I tend to prefer. I don't know why. It just seems to me the best quality. And as you know, e.l.f. is vegan, cruelty free. The brushes are synthetic and it holds. Like, I've cleaned this brush countless times, and I think maybe out of all the brushes I have from e.l.f., maybe one got loose, and I just reglue it because I can't part with it. I just love the way it distributes the product on my face. The texture of the brushes are soft, but not overly soft that it doesn't help set the product on the face. This is, I believe, their small tapered brush. I think, yeah, this is the, hold on a second, their small tapered blush brush. And I tend to use this to highlight as well as put on blush. I don't have a big face, so this works fine for me. I also tend to use this to put a setting powder down when I need to, or just add a little color like that. This is an all-around brush that can be used on so many levels, and this is my ride or die. This has gone with me on trips. I just love it. And I also have the flat brush, which I used for a long time. If you check my earlier videos, you'll see the tapered flat brush. I would use that all the time as my contour brush, and it worked just fine. And it did what it was supposed to do, and it distributed product. It had a nice give, but at the same time there was a firmness. It was just that right, it just hit that right balance. They don't feel especially heavy in the hands. They're pretty light, and you know, depending on how you want to control how you put on the makeup, you either go on the far end or you get up in the middle. I tend to go around here. And in case you ever get lost as to what it is, it's on there as far as the name of the particular brush. Their sets that they have are very reasonably priced, and I will post e.l.f. Cosmetics here. If you're not familiar with the brand, this brand has come such a long way, has a beautiful skincare line which it continually expands, and very reasonably priced, good quality for the price. They're considered drugstore, but they're so much more. And if you haven't tried e.l.f. brushes, I highly recommend. And this is one of my favorites I always have with me, the small tapered e.l.f. brush, which I believe they run anywhere from $3 to $6, maybe $8 for the bigger brushes. Again, very reasonably priced. And if you're someone starting out with makeup, I would say start with e.l.f. What do you think? What are your favorite brushes from the e.l.f. line? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. What brush should I review next? I think you already know if you view this channel what other brands I've tried. They will be coming up. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.